Hey there, science fans. Welcome to an exciting journey into the future of energy. Have you heard about CO₂ turbines? If not, you're in for a treat. They're revolutionizing the way we generate power, making it more efficient and sustainable. These incredible machines use carbon dioxide as their working fluid instead of steam. Yes, you heard that right, CO₂. This might sound strange, but it unlocks a world of possibilities. Imagine harnessing energy in ways we never thought possible. CO₂ turbines are super efficient at capturing energy from various sources, especially waste heat. This means they can convert what was once lost energy into something incredibly useful. This wasted heat is like free fuel. It's an untapped resource just waiting to be utilized. It's just waiting to be harnessed and turned into usable energy. Think about it. We can turn waste into power. Industries like steelmaking and cement production generate a ton of heat. This heat is often just released into the atmosphere. What a waste. But with CO₂ turbines, we can change that narrative. CO₂ turbines capture this heat and turn it into electricity. It's a game changer for energy efficiency. It's a win-win for industry and the environment. Imagine reducing emissions while generating power. These turbines come in different sizes, from small units for homes to massive ones for power plants. This versatility makes them suitable for a wide range of applications. This means they have the potential to transform energy production across the board. From residential to industrial, the possibilities are endless. In the following sections, we'll explore the exciting applications of CO₂ turbines in various sectors. From manufacturing to energy production, the impact is profound. Get ready to be amazed. The future of energy is here, and it's powered by CO₂ turbines. Let's talk about steel. It's the backbone of our modern world. We use it to build everything from skyscrapers to cars, bridges to railways. But did you know that making steel generates a tremendous amount of heat? This heat is a byproduct of the intense processes involved in melting and shaping steel. This heat is often released into the environment as waste, contributing to thermal pollution and energy inefficiency. Cement production is another big one. The process of making cement is energy intensive and generates a significant amount of heat. It takes a lot of energy to transform limestone into the powder that holds our buildings together. This involves heating limestone to high temperatures in large kilns. And you guessed it, lots of heat is generated in the process. This heat, if not managed properly, is simply lost to the environment. But fear not, science is here. Researchers and engineers have been working on innovative solutions to capture and reuse this waste heat. CO₂ turbines can capture this waste heat and convert it into electricity. This technology harnesses the thermal energy that would otherwise be wasted. It's like getting something for nothing. By converting waste heat into electricity, we can make industrial processes more efficient. This electricity can then power the plant itself, reducing its reliance on the grid. Talk about efficiency. This self-sustaining cycle is a game changer for industrial energy use. This not only saves money on energy bills, but it also reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Lower energy consumption means fewer emissions. That's because the plant is using less energy from fossil fuels. By cutting down on fossil fuel use, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint. This makes CO₂ turbines a key player in the fight against climate change. They help industries become more sustainable and environmentally friendly. Now that's what I call a hot technology. With continued innovation, waste heat recovery can revolutionize how industries manage energy. Now let's talk about combined heat and power, or CHP. It's a super efficient way to generate both electricity and heat from a single fuel source. Think of it as the ultimate 2-for-1 deal in the energy world. CO₂ turbines are a perfect fit for CHP systems. They can utilize the heat generated during electricity production to provide hot water or steam. This is incredibly useful for various applications like district heating systems, industrial processes, and even powering buildings. Imagine a small town powered by a single CHP plant with a CO₂ turbine at its heart. The turbine generates electricity for homes and businesses. At the same time, the waste heat produces hot water that is piped to buildings for heating. How cool is that? CHP systems with CO₂ turbines are more efficient than traditional power generation methods. This means they use less fuel and produce fewer emissions. It's a win-win for the environment and our energy future. Section 4 climate control gets an upgrade, CO₂ turbines in HVAC. We all like to stay comfortable, right? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems help us do just that. But traditional HVAC systems can be real energy hogs. That's where CO₂ turbines come in to save the day. CO₂ turbines can be integrated into HVAC systems to recover waste heat and improve energy efficiency. They can even be used in heat pumps, which are like refrigerators in reverse, moving heat from one place to another. Imagine a large office building with a CO₂ turbine-powered HVAC system. The turbine captures waste heat from the building's cooling system and uses it to help heat the building in the winter. This reduces the building's reliance on traditional heating sources, saving energy and money. CO₂-based HVAC systems are more environmentally friendly and can significantly reduce a building's carbon footprint. Talk about staying cool while keeping the planet cool too. Section 5, from wastewater to watts, energy recovery in water treatment. We all need clean water, but treating wastewater takes a lot of energy. The process involves multiple stages, each requiring significant power to ensure the water is purified and safe for reuse or release back into the environment. That's because wastewater treatment plants use a variety of processes to remove pollutants and make the water safe again. These processes include physical, chemical, and biological treatments, all of which are energy intensive. This is where our star player, the CO₂ turbine, comes back into play. These turbines are not just for reducing carbon emissions. They are also incredibly efficient at converting energy from various sources. CO₂ turbines can be used to recover energy from the biogas produced during wastewater treatment. This biogas is a byproduct of the anaerobic digestion process, where microorganisms break down organic matter. Biogas is a renewable fuel source that's generated when organic matter breaks down in the absence of oxygen. This process not only helps in waste management, but also produces a valuable energy resource. By capturing and utilizing this biogas in a CO₂ turbine, wastewater treatment plants can generate their own electricity. This self-generated power can be used to run the plant's operations, making the entire process more sustainable. This reduces their dependence on the grid and lowers their operating costs. The savings can be substantial, allowing for reinvestment in further sustainable technologies and improvements. Plus, it turns a waste product into a valuable resource. This not only helps in waste reduction, but also contributes to the circular economy by making the most out of every resource. Wastewater treatment plants are becoming increasingly energy self-sufficient thanks to CO₂ turbines. These advancements are paving the way for a new era of energy-efficient water treatment solutions. It's a fantastic example of how this versatile technology can help us create a more sustainable future. By integrating CO₂ turbines, we're not only addressing energy challenges, but also promoting environmental stewardship and innovation in water treatment.